All right, today I'm gonna be working on a fireplace here, and it's interesting because there is no fireplace, there is no stove below this, so it was all removed, and this is a piece that's still on the roof. It's got some stone that's chipping, falling away, and we want to kind of like seal this up and keep it from leaking, you know, into the house. So once again, it's a stove or fireplace that no longer exists inside this building, but we do want to seal it. We do want to paint it, and we're going to try to resolve, you know, some of the problem with this stone kind of just chipping away. And so I'm going to be using a couple products today. I'm going to be using cover stain from Zinsser, and it's an oil-based primer that will seal porous surfaces, and it'll seal stone. So we're going to use it to seal all this stuff, and then I'm going to use a construction sealant to seal the cracks on this thing. There's cracks on the top that where, you know, moisture, snow, water can penetrate, eventually cause it to leak inside. And then after I get the stone, all these open porous things sealed with the cover stain, I'll probably go over it with some triple thick peel stop to even seal it a little bit more, and then we're gonna paint it. So we're gonna get this thing nice and sealed so we don't have, you know, chipping stone falling off this thing anymore and having cracks that could be potential, you know, water or moisture leaks into the structure. I'm gonna start off just by masking, using a white oil-based primer, so definitely wanna use enough masking to cover the area. So I want to tack this masking down now with large strips. I'm using frog tape orange. It'll stick really good to this roof. Now, if there's any loose stuff on here, you know, now is the time you want to knock it off. Now I'm just gonna begin, you know, just brushing or rolling this oil primer in these areas to try to seal that up. It's gonna penetrate into this stone. It's gonna seal this porous surface. Just wanna be pretty liberal with it, getting it on there so it'll soak in. Just use my brush to just these areas that are exposed stone, just to work it down in there. Could really do some damage with a power washer, so just trying to get it sealed up. So I'm working on my construction sealant now. See, it's just a bronze color. It comes in multiple different colors, but this is a good, strong sealant that'll expand and contract on large gaps and cracks. So this is like perfect to seal this. I'm just gonna try to go along every single gap there is and try to fill it up so nothing could get in there, no moisture. It'll fill gaps and cracks up to 2 inches, so. So now I'm putting a coat of peel stop, especially along the top. We want the top sealed, you know, really good. So the peel stop is good, thick, high resin based primer that will seal this really well. And then we can top coat it after this dries.